Tonight, stepping up efforts to curb COVID outbreaks in Boulder, tied to the University of Colorado.
Officials worry if the parties don't stop, there will be no way to control the spread. Boulder County Public Health reports 663 new COVID cases in the past 2 weeks. More than 500 of those cases have been linked to CU students. The health department recommends all students self-quarantine for 2 weeks to slow the outbreak. The city even going a step further and ordering a mandatory quarantine for what it calls nuisance properties. Karen Morfitt joins us live from Boulder tonight. And Karen, if students don't comply, the county says all of the orders will become mandatory.
Karen, you can imagine the toll this could have on the entire community, not just the university. If compliance doesn't pick up, it could mean more restrictions for everyone. Tonight, some are saying it's the school that should have been more prepared.
For 3 weeks, there's been a growing number of COVID cases among CU Boulder students.
The amount that it's progressing every week is alarming.
I mean, it definitely surprised me. My initial thoughts is that we were going to get sent home.
The chancellor now pleading with all students to avoid large gatherings that are playing a significant role in the rise, zeroing in on a handful of sororities and fraternities in multi-student living situations off campus.
I think people have like a lot of parties. I know rush has been happening.
But not everyone agrees that students alone are at fault.
When the university clearly knows how students are and knows that they're going to get together and knows that they're going to want to socialize, and to not be prepared, which is really the situation, for the fallout, and then to blame it on the students, I think is really disingenuous on the part of the administration.
Tracy Farrell is an instructor at CU and a member of the United Campus Workers Colorado, which is calling on the university to do more than issue warnings.
The vast majority of cases are coming from off campus, and they are not offering testing for off campus students unless they are symptomatic, which means that they have to try to go out in the community.
Officials say if the spike doesn't level off soon, the impact will be felt countywide.
Now, so far, the university says more than 400 students have been contacted for violating public health orders, and they say anyone found in violation going forward could face the possibility of exclusion from campus, probation, and even suspension from the university. As far as that testing goes, we know the county is working with the state to bring in new testing sites, a walk-up and a drive-through testing site here to Boulder that will be open to everyone. We're live in Boulder tonight. Karen Morfitt covering Colorado First.